Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks to the team over at Jada and Simba Toys. We're going to be checking out their Hollywood Rides kit based on the classic series Knight Rider. Now for those of you looking to add this piece to your collection, I will of course provide links down in the description box below, as well as a few other places which you may actually be able to find this on shelves. Taking a very quick look here at the packaging, you can see it actually looks fantastic. We've got the Hollywood Ride logo there, we've got the really awesome images of the actual product itself. This is in fact die cast, and it's one of the first pieces that we're taking a look at over on the channel which actually has LEDs. So just to very quickly demonstrate that, you simply just want to push this door here and you can see how the front section will illuminate much like it did in the show, which is a really nice attention to detail. As we spin around here to the back, you can see we've got a really awesome product shot of once again the vehicle demonstrating the LED electronic function. So without further ado, let's crack K.I.T.T out of the packaging and see how awesome this particular piece truly is. And so here we have K.I.T.T cracked open out of the packaging and looking just as sleek and slick as he did on the TV show. Now this specific vehicle is a Pontiac Trans Am, and once again I think Jada have done a terrific job in replicating its appearance from that classic TV series. You can see that in regards to the detail, it looks exactly how it did on the show, and the glossy black paint that they've applied to this truly does look sensational. You can see the entire vehicle is just so reflective, it really does look awesome, and once again we've got an entire die cast frame which adds such a great amount of weight to this particular piece. I truly do believe that Jada are creating some of the best die-cast vehicles that you can currently purchase on the market, especially for the value. These are amazing. You can see at the front of the vehicle you've got some really nice silver headlights. Taking a look here towards the top, you've got that asymmetrical design going on here for the actual hood section where the engine is, and taking a look here towards the top, you've got that sky view window which looks fantastic, revealing some of the internal details which we'll take a closer look at in just a second. And then spinning around here to the back, you can see the amazing amount of detail that we've got going on for the actual hubcaps. Spinning our attention here to the back, you've got the Knight Rider logo as the license plate, which I actually think looks really well done. And even taking a look here to the underside, you can see some fantastic looking sculpt work. Now the batteries do in fact store in this cavity, so they are very easy to swap out if unfortunately they do decide to die on you. And we also have that this is in the 1/24th scale and it is a licensed 1982 Pontiac, so definitely really cool. In regards to special features, you can lift up the hood here to reveal some amazing internal detailing, as well as the engine block completely picked out in an amazing looking chrome. We can in fact actually open this door. Now if you open this one, it will trigger the LED function much like we saw in the show, and you can see that looks so awesome. Really nice attention to detail, and the light will blink back and forth much like it did on screen, which is really cool. Taking a look here at some of the internal detailing, you can see the dashboard there, really techie much like it was in the show. I think that looks awesome, and we've got that very futuristic looking steering wheel too, which is really well done. Spinning our attention here to the other side, you can see here we've got a seat there which looks awesome, as well as some seat detailing on the actual back, and you can once again see some really nice dashboard detailing in there. We can also come here to the back and lift the back trunk up, which is also a really nice attention to detail, and you can also see some very awesome looking sculpt work. And the wheels on this guy are completely rubberized, much like some of the other vehicles that we've taken a look at in this line, so he is able to roll really smoothly along the ground, and you can once again see that LED function I think just really sets this apart from some of the other vehicles. This is just so awesome, such a fantastic looking vehicle. I think they've done an incredible job with this particular piece. And so some final thoughts here for the Jada Toys Hollywood Rides Knight Rider kit. I actually think this is once again another fantastic piece. There really hasn't been a single piece from Jada that I've taken a look at so far that I've been disappointed in, because their vehicles are just so damn accurate to their real life representations, and K.I.T.T here is no exception at all. It's a fantastic recreation from that old classic series, and the fact that we actually have an LED function is fantastic. Such a nice touch, and it's really something they didn't have to do, but I'm so glad they did. Once again, the entire frame is die cast, so once again adds a great ton of weight to this particular piece, and I really love some of the special features such as the lift up hood as well as the lift up trunk. That is really nice in my opinion, and the actual paint they've applied to is fantastic, incredibly reflective, much like you would expect from a real life vehicle. So for those of you looking to add this particular piece to your collection, as always I will include links down in the description box below. I would love to know down in the comment section below what you guys think of this particular vehicle. Will you be adding it to your collection, or what other Jada vehicles are you looking forward to me taking a look at over on the channel? I thank you all for watching, and until my next review I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.